How to change your TikTok region, country, or location. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly on how you can do this in easy and simple steps. Now, you simply want to go ahead and open up your TikTok application, and before we proceed, unfortunately, you cannot go ahead and directly change the region or country from the TikTok settings. But in today's video, I'm going to show you a workaround in order to do this method properly. Now you want to head over to your profile icon at your TikTok application, and from here you simply want to click on the three lines at the corner of your screen. Click on the settings and privacy, and from here you can then go ahead and see a setting called privacy once again. Inside we have this setting called location services, so you can just go ahead and click on it. Manage the location information TikTok uses to personalize your experience. Now inside this setting right here, you want to make sure that the permission settings is set to never, and right after that, for location history, you want to click on delete certain location data. Right after doing this method right here, you can just go ahead and navigate back to your phone setting, and once inside, you can manually change the country or region for your phone. Restart your device, and right after that, TikTok will now go ahead and change to your phone's country or region. And so if this video has been helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.